Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the forex market again. Unfortunately today we do not have any much choice to what to discuss, because our position on the Great British Pound we have discussed yesterday. Currently, guys, except the euro currency, we see interesting setup on Australian dollar in the short term, the intraday charts, but it mostly moves through the half already, step over the half. So we'll take a look at our daily chart. Market has met the overbought, and on the 4-hour time frame chart, that is the butterfly with a downward action on the Australian dollar that has started from the nicely looking double repo sale pattern. But as you can see, markets already almost hit the minimum target, so that setup is almost done. That's why, in fact, hourly we have two major points for observation. The first one is our long-term trade on the Canadian dollar. If you remember, we still should hold short positions as we have entered on the double repo sell on the Canadian, the weekly chart. But we do not discuss it because all that we need to say we have said already in our weekly research that was dedicated to Canadian dollar, where we have decided to take the short position, and currently market is moving to the target, so its position is still valid, but still it's very close already to the final point. And currently, in fact, guys, all that we could do just to continue discussion of the euro currency. So you can see yesterday market on the poor retail sales in the United States data, market has shown the upward action, and from that standpoint looks like our suggestion was correct, since market is continuing move higher. As we said here, we said that yesterday that although we didn't get the grabber, market was forming here something that was looking like the dynamic pressure, bullish dynamic pressure that was suggested the taking out of this top, and that really has happened. At the same time, guys, we have our some sort of the three drive pattern or something of that sort, but what is more important is that here we have the untouched important targets. It's really significant targets, because this extended ABCD pattern is 1618 extension. It's really important target points, 1470 approximately. That coincides with the monthly pivot resistance one, and we think that before market will turn to the downside and show the meaningful retracement that in fact we are waiting for, because we would like to take the long position, but we would like to get our reasonable price for that, a reasonable quote for the euro currency, where we could take the long position. And before market will start move down, it probably should test and touch this area. Market is not at overbought on the daily chart, it overbought on the weekly, but on the daily it's not at overbought, and really I think that really could pass a bit more than 20 pips higher before this will happen. Speaking on our yesterday double repo, well, guys, it's very difficult to say definitely, because the top is very choppy. I don't like such sort of the tops on the double repo. Probably we could treat it as look-alike pattern at maximum, but better if you would like to take the short position on intraday charts and short the market here, it's better to have something else beyond the this possible double repo. And then as I have written in today's update on the forum, all that we could say about this double repo is this is REM song, this is the definitely maybe. So it's very difficult to rely on this pattern. We'll see. But still, since we have some intraday patterns as well, maybe it will not be a really big problem for those of you who would like to take the short as soon as market will complete the important targets. So on the daily chart we have this one, targets. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the same 8-hour butterfly in progress. Also, you could see that the market has reached the one of the lower border, if we could call it, of our potential three drive. So we can see this 1618 of the first drive, this market has reached, but it hasn't quite reached 127 of the second drive. That's also the butterfly. That's why it's another reason why we think that market could continue move slightly higher, and probably will have the chances to do this. And the picture on the hourly chart is also in general tells about the same. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, don't pay attention to these lines yet, so take a look at this action. So you can see that was the former top. This move up and move down suggests that market has grabbed the stops right around this top area. So if this would be just the wash and rinse, and market would not suggest to move higher, it should continue to move lower. But here, see what is going on right now. Market grabbed the stops, plunged down, and now is returning right back up. It means that market just shows the consolidation around and above the previous top. That suggests the possible further upward continuation. So if you bring here the MACD predictor, you could see market is also forming the grabber to the upside. And here was not the trend shifting probably. Let's see. Close 1389, 1385. So we can see that close price is greater than MACD, and that means that this was also another grabber. That is not the trend shifting. The trend was bullish here, and right now market is forming another grabber that suggests the taking out of this top, and that could be right the moment when the market will continue to move higher. So currently we can't exclude that this will happen. Besides, as you can see, market here has another two destination points. They are a bit smaller than on the daily chart, but they also points on the further upward action. So that is the most recent ABCD pattern, so 1480 approximately, and not quite touched the target of this ABCD 1618 extension. So taking a look at this acceleration, that's why probably this momentum of the yesterday action that we see here is probably here, still valid, and 20 pips, guys, not really big distance from this top to the target. Probably we could see it today, tomorrow. And after that, for those of you who would like to trade the short, maybe we also think about taking the short here with the target 110 area. That will be the most important moment for this setup on the daily chart. Now let's see what we will get today's session and whether market will hit the 1470 area or not.